What if I told you that you could regain your energy, endurance, and even the manly confidence you once possessed in your 40s by just including a tiny handful of what appears to be an ordinary seed in your daily breakfast? It may sound unbelievable, but this is actually possible. Not with medicine, nor with intense exercise, but only with a single minor adjustment to your daily routine. Because a lot of men over 60 believe that a decline in desire, fatigue, and sexual strength are all normal aspects of aging. However, the truth is that they aren't. According to research from the U.S. National Institute on Aging, low levels of vital micronutrients like zinc, healthy fats, and arginine, all of which the body needs to produce testosterone and pump blood to the sexual organs, are the main cause of men over 60 losing their energy and sexual function, not aging itself. I'm Dr. William Harris, a senior men's health expert with over 20 years of experience, working with thousands of men over 60. Today, I'm going to share with you a straightforward but incredibly powerful way to restore your energy, hormones, and manhood, using a single, well-known seed that you probably see every day but have never used properly. But that won't be the case in a few minutes. I'll also provide a unique combination trick that very few people are aware of, which can safely and drug-free double the effects of testosterone recovery, decrease nightly urine, and naturally produce harder morning erections. Before we start, could you please tell me where you are seeing this video? In the comments section below, include the name of your state or nation. Seeing this message reach men worldwide always makes me very happy and grateful. If you're new to my channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any more suggestions supported by natural science that will help you stay healthy, live strong, and confidently age. Let's now examine why a single tiny seed may hold the secret to reviving your health after the age of 60. Part 1. A natural zinc and arginine source from pumpkin seeds to help restore testosterone and enhance blood circulation. Pumpkin seeds are the first seed I want you to include in your morning. One of nature's real superfoods for sexual health, it can help boost blood flow to the pelvis, restore testosterone, and safely and sustainably activate your endocrine system. A study published in the Journal of Urology claims that eating just 28 grams of pumpkin seeds daily, roughly one small handful, can supply almost 30% of your daily zinc needs. Zinc is essential for men's erectile function, testosterone synthesis, and sexual desire maintenance. However, arginine, an amino acid that helps widen blood vessels, increase blood flow to the penis, and improve the quality of erections, is also abundant in pumpkin seeds. For men over 60, when blood circulation and nerve sensitivity frequently start to deteriorate, this is particularly crucial. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in phytosterols, which are active substances that help balance hormones, lower prostate inflammation, enhance nightly urination, and regain energy for daily physical activity. They also contain vitamin E and omega-6. They are really easy to use. Just a spoonful or two of unsalted, lightly toasted pumpkin seeds every morning. You may incorporate them into a low-sugar smoothie, mix them with Greek yogurt, or sprinkle them over porridge. Soak the seeds overnight to improve absorption. This softens the seeds, releases the body's natural digestive enzymes, and aids in the removal of phytic acid. If you continue to eat pumpkin seeds every morning, I'm sure you'll see noticeable, actual changes in as little as 7 to 10 days. You might have increased energy and alertness. Erections in the morning can start to come back. You might get deeper sleep and fewer potty breaks when you wake up. Most significantly, you might experience a resurgence of natural desire and emotional connection, which many men thought were irreversibly lost with aging. But in order to realize their full potential, pumpkin seeds by themselves are insufficient. The impacts on your sexual vigor can be considerably more potent and obvious if you know how to mix them with a few other wise elements in the morning. Next up, we'll examine how to accomplish that in detail. Section 2. Smart combination. Pumpkin seeds, banana, and almond milk. A trifecta that improves nutrient absorption, blood flow, and sexual recuperation. You have already made significant progress if you use pumpkin seeds alone. However, combining them with the appropriate auxiliary components might significantly improve outcomes if you want quicker, more pronounced results. I frequently suggest the following recipe to patients as part of their morning routine: pumpkin seeds, ripe banana, and unsweetened almond milk. Together, these three nutrients support and activate each other, producing what I refer to as a synergistic sexual effect. This helps sustain higher levels of natural testosterone in the bloodstream, enhances zinc absorption, and improves blood circulation. More precisely, bananas are high in potassium and magnesium, two vital minerals that improve blood flow to the genital area by regulating blood pressure and dilatation of blood vessels. Monounsaturated fats and vitamin E are found in unsweetened almond milk, which also helps to prevent abnormalities in testosterone synthesis because it doesn't raise insulin levels like dairy milk does. As you are already aware, pumpkin seeds include phytosterols, arginine, and zinc, which promote long-term sexual function recovery. The body absorbs the entire spectrum of nutrients required to reactivate the hormonal system, improve the natural erectile response, and slow down age-related sexual decline when these three substances are taken together, particularly during the first half hour after waking up. The process is fairly easy. You can use the following ingredients to make a smoothie: a single ripe banana, 1 cup of almond milk without sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, either roasted or soaked overnight. To ensure your body can absorb all the nutrients without competition from other foods, drink it as soon as you wake up, preferably without food. Many folks claim observable improvements in a matter of days. A balanced hormone metabolism is indicated by their increased hunger in the morning. They get a deeper sleep and awaken feeling more rested. Most astonishingly, morning erections have returned. They start to experience something they believed had stopped happening years ago. Without using medications or synthetic hormone treatments, this is a crucial first step in assisting you in reestablishing your body's natural male rhythm. The following part will help you understand why so many guys have already experienced a powerful return without using any drugs, in case you're still unsure if such minor adjustments may truly make a difference. Part 3. Why sexual enhancement drugs can be replaced with pumpkin seeds, a safe, natural, and perceptible impact in just 1 week. I've had a lot of men ask me the same thing. Should I take medicine to get my energy back, doctor? And this has always been my response. Give your body the opportunity to heal itself naturally before considering drugs. You see, PDE5 inhibitors, like sildenafil or tadalafil, are sexual enhancement medications that can help you get an erection fast. However, they function by causing blood arteries to momentarily dilate. The steady loss of natural testosterone and decreased blood circulation brought on by aging are the main causes of the issue, and they are not addressed by them. Even more alarming is the fact that those with heart problems or blood pressure instability should not use these drugs. Over time, they may cause a dependence on synthetic stimulation, which will make it more difficult for your body to produce an erection naturally. On the other hand, pumpkin seeds don't use chemicals to disrupt your body. They provide the foundational nourishment for your system, promoting blood circulation, hormonal balance, and cellular metabolism. After 28 days of regular use, middle-aged male rats' testosterone levels and sexual performance were shown to be greatly enhanced by pumpkin seed extracts, according to a 2020 study published in the Journal of Food Biochemistry. The high levels of zinc, phytosterols, and omega-6 fatty acids in the seeds were thought to be responsible for this impact. A 2018 clinical study at Telgani Hospital in Iran also revealed that men who ate 1-2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds every day for 8 weeks saw a noticeable increase in serum testosterone levels, a decrease in nighttime urination, and relief from erectile dysfunction without any adverse effects on the cardiovascular, liver, or kidneys. Most patients report observable changes when I walk them through the hormone-activating breakfast, which consists of almond milk, bananas, and pumpkin seeds for the first 7 to 10 days. They go to the restroom less frequently at night and sleep deeper. In the morning, they feel more alert and invigorated. Even after years of absence, morning erections start to come back. Most importantly, without any coercion or pressure, desire returns in a nice and natural way. It's not because pumpkin seeds are a miraculous remedy, as you can see. The reason for this is that, with the correct starting components, your body already has the capacity to heal itself. Using 1 to 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seeds every morning will assist your body naturally restore testosterone, boost blood flow to the sexual organs, and rekindle the masculine vigor you once believed had been lost over time. This is a simple change you can do, dear buddy. No medications, no complex procedures. Simply repeating the process every morning and providing your body with the appropriate ingredients at the appropriate times. Additionally, the effects on energy, sleep, and sexual desire can double if you wisely combine it with a ripe banana and unsweetened almond milk. We all develop when we share, so please share what you learned today and what change you're ready to make in the comments box below. Let's support each other. If you found this movie useful, or if it even slightly opened your eyes, please click the like button. To be sure you don't miss any information that could change your health, click subscribe. Before you go, ring the bell. If this video was helpful, please enter 1. If not, enter 0. You might not be aware of the significance of your comment. I often tell my patients that their bodies are strong and just waiting for the opportunity to heal. Try starting tomorrow morning, and after just 7 days, see how your body reacts. I think the subtle but significant internal modifications will surprise you. Have you ever included pumpkin seeds in your morning meal? I would genuinely love to hear about your journey, so please feel free to share your ideas or experiences in the comments section below. Remember to like, share, or forward this video to someone who might benefit from it if you found it useful, because a single minor adjustment made now can result in a strong, self-assured life tomorrow. In the upcoming video, I'll be presenting a straightforward bedtime beverage that may help you minimize excess estrogen, increase testosterone while you sleep, and enhance morning erections in a potent and all-natural manner. Don't pass it up. See you in the upcoming video.